Watch this video so you can learn a couple of tips and tricks for using Chargent's payment request feature. My name is Don and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce admin who wants to get more use out of our most popular feature, you are in the right place. Why is payment request our most popular feature? Well, I think it's because this feature is simple and flexible. We also have a guide in the description about payments that you can download right now. So payment request is simple because it's easy to set up and easy to use. And it's flexible because you can configure payment requests to work exactly how you need it to. And in this video, we're going to touch on that flexibility with a couple of quick tips. Tip number 1, editing a payment request after it's been generated. If you've already sent a payment request but realized it needs a couple of edits after the fact, that's totally doable. There are fields that you can edit to update an existing payment request in real time. For instance, need to change the amount being collected? Just update the charge amount field on the Chargent order record. Need to disable a payment request? Change the status field on that record to canceled, and the payment link will be deactivated. Want to change the type of transaction handled by an existing payment request? Update the payment request transaction type field. Want to change the payment request template? Edit the payment template field. Oh, and remember the guide we just mentioned? Well, you can actually reduce your accounts receivable and collections challenges in Salesforce with Chargent. Learn how Chargent can make your payments configurable and automated, saving you time and money. Download the guide now using the link in the description of this video. Tip number 2. Automating the creation of payment request records using multiple templates. If you want to automate the creation of payment request records, but use different templates for different order types, you can do that. Let's first discuss a quick use case in order to put this into context. So Doggo Daycare uses a couple of different payment request templates, one for their monthly subscription customers and one for events. They want to automate the creation of those payment request records for both of those scenarios. So we have a few options here, like Flow or API or Apex, but we love Flow here at Chargent, so we're choosing that one for this tip. To accomplish this, we'll create a record-triggered flow. We'll configure that flow to be triggered when a Chargent order is created or updated to meet specific criteria, like a specific field containing a specific value. In this case, we're setting it to trigger when the payment title field on the Chargent order record is edited to include the word event. Then we'll add an event that creates the payment request record and populates the payment template field on those records. That's the piece that controls which payment request template our customer will land on. We'll save and activate this flow, and that's it. Our new flow will trigger when a Chargent order record is created or edited that meets our criteria. It'll create the payment request records using the templates that we've specified. I hope you've enjoyed these tips on how you and your business can leverage our flexible payment request feature. For more tips, as well as the step-by-step instructions on creating the flow I've just described here, check out our link to the companion blog post in the description below. And now, check out this next video where you'll learn how to customize payment request field labels. My name's Don and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.